Hi guys, good evening. In this session, we are going to study about the problems on calendar. How to solve the problems on calendar in a very short time. For example, what day of the week falls on 2009 October 10? So, this is asked that what day of the week falls on 2009 October 10? For that, it is enough to add 5 numbers. Out of the 5 numbers, the 3 numbers are exactly digits and the 2 are one of the code of the month and one is the code of the century. The code for the month is given as 12 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared and 146. Once again, 12 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared and 146. That is 1 is the code for January and 4 is the code for February and 4 is the code for March, 0 for April, 2 for May, 5 for June, 0 for July and so on. So this is the code for months, and the code for century is given by 1000. The 18th century, the code for 18th century is 4 and the 19th century is 2 and the 20th century is 0 and 21st century is 6. Here we are going to add 6 numbers. The first 3 are exactly digits and the 2 are the 2 codes. That is, if the date is 2009 October 10, the first 3 digits is what is the last 2 digits of the year? It is 9. The last 2 digits of the year plus how many 4s are that? How many 4s is present? How many 4s are present in that last 2 digits? It is 2. And the date is 10 and the monthly code plus century code. What is that? The last 2 digits of the year plus the number of 4s in that last 2 digits plus the date plus the monthly code. What is the code for October? It is 1. And what's the code for the 21st century? It is 6. Add all these. 6 plus 1, 7 and 17 and 19 and 28. So the sum is 28. This 28 determines the day of the week for this date. That is, how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So divide this number by 7 and the remainder tells us the day of the week. When 28 is divided by 7, the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then the day is the last day, that is Saturday. If the remainder was 1, then the day is the first day, that is Sunday. If the remainder is 2, then the day is Monday. If the remainder is 3, then the third day, that is Tuesday, and so on. For example, what day of the week falls on 2003 November 14th? What is the last 2 digits? 3. And number of 4s in the 3 is 0. And the date 14 and November 4 and 2000. The code is 6. So 10, 24, 27. When 27 is divided by 7, we get a remainder 6. That means the day is the 6th day of the week. That is, it is Friday. One more example. And what day of the week falls on 1947 August 15th. The last 2 digits is 47 plus the number of 4s in 47 is 11 and the date is 15 and August 3 and the code for the 20th century is 0 and 3, 18, 29 and 29 plus 47 it is 76. When the 76 is divided by 7, we get a remainder 6. That means the day is the 6th day of the week. That the day of the week of the 1947 and August 15 is Friday. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and thank you.